Hello everybody, welcome to POV driving. Today we're testing out a BMW. And all you BMW fans will notice that this is the 4 Series. The 4 Series Gran Coupé. Which basically means that you have doors here at the back. The regular 4 Series is a Coupé. So it's like a sports car, whatever. And yeah, so this is like a more practical version of the normal 4 Series. This specific test car is the 430i with Xdrive. So we have 250 horsepower and 4-wheel drive. This is great for everyday use. You know, you can drive it in the winter, you can drive it in the rain, and yeah, you won't have the rear wheel drive problems. The new 4 Series also has an updated interior. So we have like a digital display here that changes. We get that in most BMWs nowadays. Also have this touch display here, so you can basically touch your way through. Everything is in very high quality and it's really refined. The German cars are always, you know, very solid and well built, and this is no exception. This is really high quality. We also have a sunroof here, so you can see the sun, which is great fun for all you archaeologists or whatever it's called. But yeah, enough about the stupid stuff. Let's talk about how this car feels to drive. Yeah, it's very quiet. It's very comfortable. Like right now I'm in comfort mode, and the suspension is very soft, the steering is very soft, and everything is very quiet. The engine barely revs, you know, it's always under 2000 RPMs, which is great for just cruising around and doing business and looking at ladies and you know, doing everything you need to do. It's a really enjoyable drive. But after all, this is quite a fast car actually. You might think, oh, 250 horsepower, it's not a fast car, but you know, it's really how they use the power to your advantage. This car is connected to a 8-speed, I think it's a double clutch system, I'm not 100%, but I just put the car into Sport Plus and we get this red digital display now, and the traction control it's not completely off, I think, but it's like in this dynamic mode, so it will give you a bit of slip, but it won't kill you if you go crazy. We have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. We can put our foot down. So yeah, it really picks up and moves really fast. And the gearbox is just instant, you know, it's bang 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 bang, so you can use all the power at all times. You just drop a gear and pang, you're away. So it's very efficient when it comes to power delivery. And now I'm at 2000 RPMs in 3rd gear, and I put my foot down and I just get this whoosh of torque. So you know, you have a lot of power at the lower RPMs as well as on the topper RPMs. It revs all the way to 7000, and it makes like a typical BMW sound. It's like very similar actually to the 6-cylinder engine. It actually sounds cool. And if you rev the car, let's put it into neutral. You get small pops and bangs and cracks from the exhaust, even though this is only a 430i. So that's also a cool highlight. Oh shit, look at here. Mother Nature is destroying our roads. Not good, not good. But yeah, these seats are also really comfortable. High quality leather. The steering wheel is like thick and nice, you know. It also has the M-package, so it's really enjoyable to drive around, and it feels like you're driving like M4 or M5 or something like that if you just look at the interior here, because it looks really sporty. And yeah, it really picks up great actually, the car. I didn't expect it to be so fast. Last week we test drove the Ford Mustang, you know, with 450 horsepower, and of course it's faster, but this has more torque at the lower RPMs, you know, so it's much more usable power. So in that case it feels faster, and it feels sporty also actually, you know. You put your foot down in a corner and it will be really stable thanks to the four-wheel drive Xdrive, and the steering input is actually quite rewarding. It's not like completely dead, even though it's electrical steering. We also have these aluminium paddles here on the steering wheel, which are really big and easy to shift up and down to your needs. We also have a Harman and Kardon sound system in this car, which is excellent, you know. All the BMW speakers and technology is really on point nowadays, and they are really leading the class. We also have Ecopro mode, and then all the digital displays here change again, and we have this blue Star Wars looking display, which basically shows us how much charge we're charging and how much power we're using. It's a part of the efficient dynamics program, so it's really meant for fuel consumption and just, you know, economical stuff, which is pretty boring, but of course an important thing in buying or analyzing a car. The 4 Series Gran Coupé is actually quite cheap, I think. It starts at 378,000 crowns, and this 430 version is probably around 450, 500 with all of these extra equipment packages. But you know, you can basically get a 4 Series Gran Coupé for under 400,000 crowns. That's pretty cheap in my book, you know. This is a very premium car, and when you see it rolling past you on the streets, you know, you really think it's like upper class, like $1 million car-ish for people who don't know cars. Like my mother, for example, you know, she really liked this car and was like, oh, you know, we could get this car. And she's used to driving an Audi A8, and she really enjoyed this car. And that says a lot, you know. The 4 Series Gran Coupé is a very luxurious car for luxurious people, and the ride quality is phenomenal. You know, you just float around, and I can basically whisper in here and you will still hear me. You know, it's very good isolation in the car. So that's very important, I think, for people buying this car and looking at it. You know, they want to be comfortable, they want to be able to fill the car with 5 people comfortable. There's a lot of luggage space in the back, you know. You can easily fit a golf bag or maybe 2. And also, you know, you have quite a dynamic car. You put it into Sport Plus, you know, and you have launch control, you have over 200 horsepower, you have good torque, you know, and if you just put your foot down, you know, the car will just fly away in any condition. If it's raining outside, if it's snowing, or, you know, if it's in a corner, you know, it will perform flawlessly in all conditions. And it's really efficient and easy to use. So, you know, it's such a practical car. You know, it's usable in all scenarios, and it's quite cheap also, and the fuel economy is good, you know. And you know, it's hard to find a negative point about this 4 Series. Let me just brainstorm for a second here. What's negative about this car? Well, yeah, I don't know really. Oh, it's not an Audi. That's one point. But other than that, it's pretty good actually. And you know, I'm happy to be able to experience this, because we drove the M4 competition package, which was a great car, you know, but it was very, very dynamic. It was stiff. It looked, you know, like something out of hell, and it was just a crazy sports car. This is very different. It's much more mature. It's smoother. It's easier to drive, and it will be my choice for a daily driver, no doubt. And for this price, you know, it's a very good car. If you're interested in the 4 Series Gran Coupé, please visit your local dealership and go test drive one. You know, you won't be disappointed. You know, to experience these cars, you do a lot of research online by watching this video, for example, and then you, of course, you have to go out and test drive the cars to get your own opinion and get your own feel for it. You know, it's very, very, very important. And you might be looking at a Mercedes-Benz C-Class or an E-Class, or maybe an Audi A5 or an A4 or something like that. You know, all of these cars are very, very good, and they perform very similarly, but it all comes down to the taste. And what do you think? What do you prefer? What feeling do you get while driving the car? You know, I feel like a complete boss driving around in this car. You know, you feel nice, you feel premium, and I think that it's a really good car actually. And what do you guys think of the 4 Series Gran Coupé? It's a good car. We also have a reverse camera, of course, so it's really easy to park and maneuver. Electrical steering, of course, which is also really easy to use. The turning radius is fantastic in this car, and yeah, I can really recommend it to people looking for a car in this price range. I'm just gonna show you the trunk space, because I think that's quite important actually. Even though this is like a sedan, you know, it has a lot of space. Also electric thing here. You see here, there's a lot of space. I can basically fit in here, and you can fold back the seats, and it's no problem. So yeah, I'm gonna demonstrate the back also. So as you can see, you know, there's a lot of space. I'm quite a big guy, and I still have like a couple of centimeters room here, and my headroom is also great. And yeah, it's really good time, you know. Just give me a cup of coffee, and I could basically work from the back. And we also get the sight of this beautiful interior, you know. The steering wheel is just, you know, one of the highlights of the car, I think. It's really good. It's really grown on me. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video of the BMW 430i Gran Coupé. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the car, please comment below and I'll gladly discuss it with you. And please like and subscribe to support our channel and what we're doing. We have more cars coming in the future, and you cannot miss out on it. So thank you for watching, guys. Ciao ciao.